Today we're going to talk about the CRIMPFOX 4-in-1. The CRIMPFOX 4-in-1 is a versatile tool that provides an all-in-one solution. It cuts, strips, twists, and crimps conductors and ferrules from 20 to 14 gauge, with minimal adjustments required. The CRIMPFOX 4-in-1 is designed to save you time and money. The 4-in-1 features clear numbering and pictograms for easy operation. Here's how it works. Number 1 is the wire cutter. Number 2 strips the conductor. Number 3 twists loose conductors. And number 4 is the crimper. The tool includes a ferrule magazine that holds stripped ferrules. To remove it, gently pull down. After that, remove the protective cover. Insert the ferrule strip with the barrels of the ferrules facing down. Guide the ferrules into the starting position by pushing them towards the metal arm until the first ferrule rests under that arm. Replace the protective cover and place the magazine back into the handle. There's one small adjustment on the entire 4-in-1 tool found on this cross-section screw. For 20 and 18 gauge wires, turn the screw to position 1. For 18 to 14 gauge wires, set it in position 2. As with all Phoenix Contacts wire strippers, the CRIMPFOX 4-in-1 also features wire cutting capabilities. To use it, place the wire in the cutter and squeeze the handle. Next, place the clean cut wire into the wire stripper, flush against the backrest, and squeeze. This will result in a partial strip, ensuring the insulation stays on the wire to use for twisting purposes. Place the partially stripped insulation in front of the number 3 and arrow. As you squeeze the handles again, the partially stripped insulation will twist. Keeping the handles squeezed, pull off the insulation slug. Finally, insert the stripped wire into the first ferrule and slide the ferrule into the crimping chamber. Squeeze the handles one more time and crimp the ferrule. Then remove it once the crimping is complete. Here is the process without instructions to see the processing speed. The CRIMPFOX 4-in-1 is also available as a set, which includes 2 additional magazines and a compartment for storing ferrule strips. Making it easier to switch between wire gauge sizes. It comes packaged in a convenient carrying case. If you would like more information or wish to schedule an on-site demonstration, please contact your local Phoenix Contact sales representative or visit phoenixcontact.com/US-toolfox. Thank you.